Hey. Um, this is a kid's base that we got. Well, I got TP too, so we. So I'm just gonna kill these kids, I guess. Oh, what are those at? Five. Terrible. Speed pot. Kill you. Oh! Oh! No! I need speed! Chris, that would kill me. Yeah. Yeah.
That one doesn't work, because we're not.
Oh, it'll take a little bit to come back on.
That happens that signal the TV in the middle. I have to press any button here.
You double click on. Hold on.
Double check it over here.
Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. My power went out. God, now I can't hit that. That's a nice auto search you got there. And then this kid's gonna gap again, and then he's gonna gap some more. Just make sure you that kid's face. Oh! Blow up his face. Yeah, you see that? That's not even supposed to happen. Remember to not do that. That's a nice gaffle hit right there. Who knows what that is? animal fence. Yeah, freaking easy. Freaking easy. Okay, I'm lagging. I think I was good. I don't hate when people do that to me. They make any amazing videos now. I hate people do that. Makes me feel bad. I'm sure. I don't want to keep up. Alright guys, I guess that's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed this mini PvP raid thing, whatever. I don't know what to call it because it was really bad. But see you guys all later.